Precautionary descaling systems. Now what are these? I mean, everything is precautionary. So why do we need to have precautionary descaling systems? Hi, I'm Chandrakant Tiwari from Evergreen Solutions, and I run a company called Evergreen Solutions and Products, and we are here to talk to you about precautionary descaling, which needs to be done on certain types of surfaces and in certain circumstances. One of the main places where precautionary descaling has to be done is when you're using soft alloys. Alloys like aluminium, magnesium, calcium, they cannot be conventionally treated with the existing range of material that are available in the market. Similarly, plastics. Not all descalers are soft on plastics or acrylics or similar synthetic material. Very importantly, food areas. In industries that you deal with food and food packaging, be it exports, be it packaging for domestic consumption, the kind of products that are used to descale, chillers, various other utility items are totally different. There are also environmentally sensitive areas where you cannot use many of the acid-based products. So what do you do in such case? You need to look at a totally different form of descaling. One very important criteria is labor loss and workforce management. Wherever you have a large amount of people and a very strong labor force unionized, it is important to have processes, systems that are acceptable to everybody. Now, when it comes to descaling, you could have, lime scale cleaning, or you could have rust removal, you could have heat treatment, or rather heated surface, or what we call as burn mark removal. You could also have an oil removal, which is burnt onto a surface. Many of times these get impregnated onto a surface. So, considering sensitive areas and precautionary processes that need to be used, we would suggest that you click the link below and get into a 30-minute free consultation with us. The consultation outside is normally $3,500 that I charge, but you can get it free of charge. It's a 30-minute consultation. Plus, if your systems are working in the way that we can comprehend, we offer a testing kit, a scale testing kit or descaling testing kit worth 7,500 rupees absolutely free. So get in touch with us, click the link below and schedule a one-to-one conversation where we can discuss your requirements and offer the most suitable, safe and economical descaling solution for your needs. So looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Click the link below and we'll get to speak to each other. Thank you.